Hello everyone, another useful video for you all. This video is about our hotel stay in the amazing beach destination Mykonos in Greece. Mykonos is a small beautiful island in Aegean Sea. For this place, our requirement was very clear that we wanted to be on a beach. We researched a little and decided to look for a hotel on Platis Gialos Beach. There are few more beaches like Ornos and Mia where we can find good places to stay. Platis Gialos Beach is a well-equipped beach with good hotels, many restaurants, grocery and other general shopping stores. It was the most beautiful beach I have ever seen. Such gorgeous views and the water was crystal clear. The water was shallow, full of fishes. It was icy cold when we were there in the month of May. There is also a bus shuttle service at a very reasonable cost which runs from here to various other parts of Mykonos island, making it very convenient to travel to different parts of the island, especially the area which is called Little Venice, where we spent a lot of time. Little Venice has the windmills of Mykonos. It also has excellent shopping and eating joints. The bus pickup was only 80 meters away from the place we stayed. In Mykonos, we stayed in Acrogiali Beach Hotel. A room was on the ground floor next to the reception and restaurant. This beautiful space that you see now is the central area of the hotel, and all rooms were around this path. Let's go for a room tour. We had a family room. It was a huge room which had 3 single and 1 double bed. So 5 people could be accommodated easily. Though we of course used only 4 beds. There was a huge outside sitting area facing the sea. Well, this helped us a lot since we didn't really have to go around to the lobby and then to the beach. We just jump across the little boundary to go to the beach. In terms of room amenities, we had a coffee maker and fridge. There was no hot water kettle. There was one washroom with good quality toiletries. Restaurant was fine. It had more of cold breakfast options, very less options for my vegetarian taste. But that's okay since we were there only for 2 nights. Having said this, I must also say that the staff at hotel was really helpful and courteous. I will strongly recommend this place for stay in Mykonos. If you found this video useful, do like and subscribe. Bye for now.